Everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Ways. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you this look. So this look is requested to me by Sadia Siddiqui and she wanted me to create the look from the serial Ishqiya. I don't know anything about the serial, but she wanted me to create this look. So this is what I came up with. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. Also, this is the second time I'm recreating this look. The first time I tried to recreate it, I was doing very well and I was almost about to finish the look, but light chale gayi and I had to stop filming. I actually waited for 1 hour for the light to come back, but nahi aayi, so I really have to wash my face. And this is the second time I'm recreating this look. Please show it. I'm gonna take this sugar alcoholic stick. So this is their hydrating stick. Foundation, I'm gonna take this foundation. So this is the Makeup Revolution stick foundation and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. To blend it, I'm gonna use this Becos sponge. So if you look at her picture, her base was really very flawless. So that's what we want. Her base was very light yet flawless. So I am using this foundation because it has a good coverage and also it has like a skin like finish. So I'm just dabbing it all over my face. So I'm just making sure कि अच्छे से skin में blend हो गया. Using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm just gonna apply it onto my under eyes and around my mouth. Now I'm gonna take the blender and I'm just gonna blend everything. So I think pretty much it looks now really concealed and flawless. I don't want my base to be heavy. Next I'm gonna take this Maybelline Creamy Matte in Warm Me Up and I'm just gonna apply it onto my cheeks for my blush. So I'm just gonna take on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take the same blender and I'm just gonna blend it onto my cheeks like so. So अगर आप उसकी skin देखें, it's really blushed pinky. So that's what we want. We want our blush to be really heavy. मैं nose पे भी इसे लगा लूँगी थोड़ा और इधर lightly पूरे अपने nose से अपने cheeks को connect करते हुए like so. I'm gonna move to setting my face because I really need it. So I'm gonna take this Blue Heaven Face Glow powder to set my face. I'm gonna take some powder and with the help of a brush, I'm just gonna set my under eyes. I'm just gonna push this powder onto my skin. And I'm just gonna do this on all those places जहाँ पे मैं बहुत easily crease करती हूँ, जैसे around my mouth or my forehead. So now if you look at her picture, her skin is bronzed, like you can see her cheeks are very much snatched, you can say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bronzer. So this is the L'Oreal Glam Bronze and I'm just gonna bronze my face, giving my cheeks some dimension. So I'm just gonna apply it onto my cheeks and around my temples. मेक श्योर आप बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट ले बिकॉज आपने क्रीमी प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई किया हुआ है ब्लश पे, सो वो पैची लग सकता है. सो बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट ले एंड इसे बहुत लाइटली अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करें. अगर आप डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करेंगे इसे ऐसे करके तो वो प्रोडक्ट वहीं पर सेटल हो जाएगा. सो बहुत लाइटली इसे अप्लाई करें. जॉ लाइन पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी. सो दैट्स व्हाट I wanted to do. So next I've taken the same powder and I've taken this on the beauty blender and मैं इसे just अपने जहाँ मैंने bronzer अप्लाई करा है मैं उसके नीचे अप्लाई करूँगी. I have did this because if you see her picture, this area is highlighted. So यहाँ पर highlight आप तभी कर सकते हो अगर आप पाउडर से इसे सेट कर दो, थोड़े टाइम के लिए इसे पाउडर को प्लेस कर दो एंड आफ्टर 5 minutes यू कैन डस्ट ऑफ द पाउडर एंड इससे ये चीज़ आपकी क्लीन लगेगी एंड आपका ब्लश एरिया बिल्कुल आपका फेस अपलिफ्टेड सा लगेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट. So now I'm gonna do my brows. So her brows were really thick, so I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit on the sides, line here and a line in the front. So this is what I want. Her brows were thick, so that's why I went for like thick brows. I'm gonna do this one and we'll be back. So I did my this eye. Her eye makeup was nowhere visible, so I only could make out that there wasn't like an inner corner highlight, like a pink highlight, and there was a liner. So first I've taken this LA Color Socialite palette and I'm gonna take this peachy shade and I'm just going to use it as my transition shade. Her eyelids were little orangish. I'm just buffing this at my outer corners and मैं इसे अपने crease पे भी apply कर रही हूँ. Also I need to dust off this powder, so I'm just using a stippling brush. Next I'm going to take this shade from this palette and I'm just going to lightly apply this all over my eyelids just to get a rosy lids. Take this shade from this palette and with the help of my fingers I'm just going to apply it all over my lids. This palette works better with fingers, like these shadows, these shimmery shadows works better with fingers. Next I'm going to take this Sugar Gloss Pause liner and I'm going to draw a wing. So for the highlight I'm going to use the same shadow. Her pink was like a hot pink, but I don't have that hot pink shadow, so I'm just working with this one and I hope this looks fine. Now I'm going to take the same brush and जितना भी left over product है मैं उसे अपनी waterline पे apply कर लूँगी. Next I'm going to take this white kajal pencil from Maybelline. It's their lasting drama pencil and I'm going to apply this onto my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes. I was really confused that whether she had applied lashes or not because of a liner. So liner के कारण बिल्कुल visible नहीं है कि lashes है या नहीं है. So I won't be applying any lashes because I think I want to keep this tutorial for a beginner. So no lashes for this tutorial. I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So to intensify my blush a bit, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush on. Mellow Wine. I love this blush. So I'm gonna take some of this और थोड़ा excess मैं dab कर दूँगी अपने hand पर and I'm just gonna apply some on my cheeks, on my nose, and also gonna apply some on my chin to balance everything. If you ever feel you've applied too much, you can always use a stippling brush or any brush to remove the excess. So to get that beaming highlighting face, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder and this highlight was really prominent. That's what we're gonna go for. Her lips were really pinkish but glossy, not extremely glossy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this teal shade from Revolution Pro. I'm gonna remove all the excess. And now I'm gonna take the Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss. And I've only applied it into the centers and that's pretty much it. To set everything in place, I'm gonna take this Blue Heaven makeup fixer. So I'm just taking my stippling brush and I'm just gonna run this all over my face just to remove all the excess products that's on my face. Excess orange shade. I think मैंने orange ज़्यादा apply कर दिया because I am filming with my back camera and मुझे back camera में मैं first time film कर रही हूँ. I think it looks fine now? Let me know in the comments. So I've dyed my hair and also wore these earrings. So this is the look, and now I think it looks much better once I dusted off all the excess makeup using my stippling brush. So this is the finished look. So yeah, I hope I did justice with this look. I am not sure whether I created anything close to that look, but I really like the overall look. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.